So I just tested 2 of Pantene's newest conditioners, one that's protein and one for moisture. Are they keepers? Let's find out. So I'm gonna go through this quickly just for the benefit of whoever is curious. Right now I am pre-pooing my hair with this Yes Honey. I absolutely love this. So shout out to my son. This was a Christmas gift, some type of gift, and it really works. I'm going to do my little scalp scrub with this. I'm gonna use that because I have stubborn dandruff. And I'm gonna use this, it's not really dandruff, it's dry scalp. Like, it doesn't itch, it doesn't bother me or anything like that. It's just there and makes shampooing my hair extra difficult. Since I'm doing a Pantene product review, I figured why not use as many Pantene products as I can. So this is the protein conditioner and this is the moisturizing conditioner. I don't really like the names because it's misleading. I wish it was more straightforward that, hey, this is moisture, because when I see repair, I automatically think protein. I do not think moisture. So right off the bat, I'm happy with the size of the packaging. I did think that it was gonna be smaller. All I had to do was look at the description on Amazon. Normally, each of them are like $12. Oh, wait a minute, no. Yeah, okay, so they ended up being like $7.99 and I got $5 off. That's how that was. So I'm really happy about the price for that. So, who is this? A little imp. That's her nickname, by the way, for anybody gets up in arms. And yes, I know what it means. No. Well, I'm trying to do something. Oh. So I'm happy about the packaging and the size of the product. I'm gonna let you know how I feel about them. So I'm going to put a little bit on the top of the cap here, just so we can see texture. Okay, I gotta do something, this lighting. Okay, here we go, that's better. So right off the bat, just first impressions, the texture feels very, very moisturizing. Like from conditioners that I've used in the past that have been really moisturizing, this seems like this is exactly the kind of moisturizer that I would need and that my hair will love. So I'm excited about that. The, what do they say? Melting Pro V pearls. They absolutely do melt. I don't know if it's gonna show you how it melts up here. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, there you can see the texture better. The beads are really soft and like they really do melt, even though they're not cooperating now. Okay, I'm back. Trying to multitask, y'all. Was heating up some oil for funnel cakes. But anyway, okay, let's get back in the light. All right, because I was trying to show y'all the texture of the beads. Well, you can see how it just immediately melted right there. So boom, that's what I was trying to show. So now let me, excuse me, show you the texture of this, the Intensive Bond Repair Mask. There we go. So because I've got it in the light, it looks brighter, but it's more of an orangish color. And it's got those same beads. Let me show you the texture. Listen, bear with me, y'all. I'm trying to look at this through the camera and not real life. Okay, ooh, so I haven't dipped my fingers. We doing this for the first time together. All right, let me go back into the light. Okay, so I like that initial dip. It felt really nice, really luxurious and thick. I love that. I think I need to turn the TV down. I hope y'all can't hear Miss Natalie Stringfield in the background too much. But anyway, yeah, the texture, I'm liking the texture. I'm just smelling it. Excuse me, I was eating funnel cake. So I'm really surprised and happy about how thick it feels, the Bond Repair Mask, because it looks like it's not as thick as it actually feels, and I was a little disappointed. Like at first glance, it seems like it's more watery than thick, but no, it's perfect. As far as the smell, I guess it's just the Pantene Pro V on that Pro V. Oh no, it says Pro V on the jar. There we go. Daddy's cooking, okay? So the fire alarm just went off and I decided to take a nice little funnel cake break in the process. Anywho, for those who are curious, my OG beauties, I've been slacking on the exercising. I have been stretching though, and I did work out maybe twice last week to grow with Joe. So anyway, I was saying the smell. It just smells like Pantene. And I guess it's just their signature scent. It doesn't smell like anything specific, just a nice shampoo. Not a bad smell, but I'm not wowed by it. There are some hair products out there that are like, oh my God, this smells amazing. This isn't one of them, but it doesn't smell bad. Now we're gonna get into performance. It's been 2 weeks, by the way, since I've shampooed my hair. And I really wanted to do the rice water this week because it's been 2 weeks, but since I'm using this protein, I'm not gonna use rice water too. And I just really want to see how the Pantene performs without anything new or extra going on. And so I can just give you an honest review. So I've got the protein conditioner in my hair, and I will say it's got really good slip. Going in, it feels like a moisturizing conditioner as far as the slip aspect of it. Now, of course, you really can't see how well a conditioner performs until a few days after your shampoo. A really good conditioner, your hair still feels good even a few days later. It still feels moisturized. It doesn't just feel strong and moisturized right after the shampoo and then the next day it's feeling bad. My hair definitely feels stronger after the intensive bond repair mask, and I'm not shedding as much. I didn't shed as much when I rinsed my hair out, and I have been shedding quite a bit these past few days because that's what my hair does. The closer I get to really needing to shampoo my hair, the more my hair sheds. I'm not hearing all of this snapping and stuff. So first thoughts, I have a positive opinion so far. I am really liking Pantene so far. I've been using the other type of Pantene conditioner and shampoo for the past, I don't know, year or so, and I haven't had any complaints. And so I think this is just a really good brand, and I'm gonna try out more of their products and see how my hair reacts. And we should be deep enough into the video that only the beauties are still here, okay? Because that's who I call the people that watch all the way through. Watch my videos all the way through to the end, and that's what I call, of course, my subscribers, my beauties, the beauties. So, listen, I'm trying to see if we being Tuskegee Airmen out here when it comes to our black hair care products. And so, I am starting to, try and experiment and purchase products that are geared toward our Caucasian brothers and sisters, because I want to see, what is going on. Let me know what y'all think. Is there some untoward things happening in the chemistry labs of these beauty companies? I don't know, because it wouldn't be the first time in history, now would it? I'm not gonna sit under the dryer. It says to leave in for 5 to 7 minutes and rinse. I'm trying to find a happy medium when it comes to my hair care. I know I can fall off of my hair routine very easily, which I don't want to do. And I know part of it is because I dread deep conditioning. I'm aiming for once a month. I don't mind sitting in a hooded dryer once a month. I think I can manage that. And then just doing a little instant conditioner. So, yeah, I won't be sitting under the hooded dryer for this conditioner or this one, since I've already done my deep conditioner under the dryer for the month. I'm gonna style my hair. I am going to blow dry it at the very least. The weather is changing and I don't want to catch a cold. So yeah, I will be back and let you know my thoughts. Right now I've got the Rescue Deep Repair Conditioner sitting in my hair, and this, they say leave on for 1 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna leave it in for at least 3 minutes, okay? Because I am the queen of getting distracted and doing something else. Like I just got distracted, put the fries in the Ninja air fryer, and then I didn't cut it on. See, now I think y'all might be able to see what it is that I'm talking about. All right, you see how nice my hair looks right here? And then you get to the front and it looks dull. It's not the lighting. This is how this hair does. So I will say neither one of the conditioners fixed that. The rice water did. That trouble area of mine, no, didn't really moisturize that. But again, I didn't sit under the hooded dryer. I have noticed some conditioners, they need the heat. These are instant conditioners, because deep conditioners will tell you, sit under the dryer. And they'll say leave it in for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So when you get into 1 to 3 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes territory, I consider those instant conditioners. I would have to sit under the dryer and see would it do that, because some conditioners, when you treat them like an instant conditioner, this little patch of mine, it doesn't do anything. But then when I sit under the hooded dryer with the same conditioner, it will help this area. So I don't want to speak too soon. This might be one of those types of conditioners, but just using it right out the gate, following the package directions, no, it doesn't help that little patch. Overall, I have a positive opinion of both products, and I'm definitely going to use them all the way up to the end, unless they start showing me signs that it's not agreeing with my hair. I will see you all on the next video, y'all. And thank you all so much for subscribing. It is so nice watching this channel grow, and just in the past few days. So shout out to y'all. Thank you all so much for liking, for commenting. I'm getting more engagement, getting more comments. Shout out to y'all. So that is the video, you guys. I decided to do another intro, well, outro, after blow drying my hair. So this is my little hairstyle. You see a little damage in the back, but it's trying to give. And I didn't straighten my hair. This is only it blow dried. And I, while it was still damp, sprayed this, then used what little bit of Michel I still have left, the rice water. I put the grease on my hair, and I did all of this before spraying the heat protectant on my hair, because that's just what I like to do. And I didn't oil my scalp yet, but I will. And then I just blow dried it, and here we are. It's cute, even though it's not cooperating because of the rubber bands, but it's something. It's different. And it was looking really cute at first. We're giving a little messy bun around the house. Lounge girly action. So yeah, anyway, that is the video, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, anyway, bye.